These tofu stuffed mushrooms are savory, satisfying, and completely plant-based. Start with 12 to 14 medium-sized cremini or button mushrooms. Pop the stems out with your fingers. They should snap right out. Then give the caps a quick wipe with a damp paper towel to clean them up. For the filling, take 1 block of firm tofu, make sure it's been pressed to remove the extra moisture, and just crumble it straight into a bowl with your hands. You want it nice and chunky, not too fine. Now we're going to season the tofu with 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, a teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and dried thyme, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and a couple of tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley. Give everything a good stir until it's all evenly combined. Place your mushroom caps cavity side up on a baking sheet and lightly brush them with some olive oil and a little pinch of salt. Spoon the tofu filling into each cap, mounding it up slightly. Then finish with a light drizzle of olive oil or vegan butter right over the tops before they go into the oven. These mushrooms bake at 375 for 18 to 22 minutes until they are tender and the tops are just starting to turn golden. Look at that, perfectly savory, perfectly golden. Garnish with a little extra parsley and serve them warm. Hope you enjoy.